What's up guys, this is Sean Heather and today we are going to unbox the POCO M3 Pro 5G smartphone. We are going to have a look on the device inside, its design, features, highlighted specs, display quality and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. So POCO M3 Pro 5G is mentioned at the bottom. So here we got most of the information that the device inside is power black in color. It got 6GB RAM, 128GB storage and it comes with high-res audio. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. And here we go. So once again, the POCO branding, everything is in yellow and black accent. So here we got a SIM card tray, ejector pin. We got the POCO sticker, so you can put it anywhere you want. We got the quick start guide, safety information and the warranty card. And here is the silicone case for the back panel. This is the POCO M3 Pro 5G in power black. So it comes with MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G processor. We got 6.5-inch Full HD Plus screen with 90Hz refresh rate. We got 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt charging, 48 megapixel AI triple camera with 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro lens. And on the front side, we got an 8 megapixel front camera. What else we got here? So here is the USB Type-C cable and the 18-watt charger. As you can see that we don't have the earphones inside the retail box, so you will have to buy a new one or use an old one if you already got one. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of POCO M3 Pro. The smartphone, 18-watt charger, USB Type-C cable, some stickers, user manual, quick start guide, safety information, warranty card, and the silicone case for the back panel. So here is the POCO M3 Pro 5G, and as you can see that the back panel is looking gorgeous. So let's switch it on and let's do the quick setup, and after that we will have a look on the device. And here we go. So this is the home screen of Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro. So first of all, let's talk about the design. So here we got on the front side 6.5-inch screen. We got a bit of bezels on the sides here. Also a very narrow bezel at the top. The bottom bezel, as expected, is comparatively a bit bigger compared to the side bezels. But the good part is that if you use a dark wallpaper like the one POCO is using here, then those bezels are getting out of sight very nicely. Also, because of the dark wallpaper, the front camera module is also quite invisible, so it is wise to use a dark wallpaper on POCO M3 Pro 5G here. So here in the center of the screen we got the punch hole. Right above it we got the earpiece and there is no notification LED provided. You can see that the proximity sensor is working right now. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 3, and the good part is that it also comes with a screen protector pre-applied. So POCO is providing 2 layers of protection on the screen of POCO M3 Pro 5G here. At the bottom we got the USB Type-C port, the primary microphone and the speaker grill. At the top we got the 3.5mm jack, the secondary microphone and the IR blaster. So this is once again quite nice that Xiaomi is providing an IR blaster on POCO M3 Pro 5G that you won't find on many smartphones these days. On the left hand side we got the card slot that comes with 2 nano SIM card slots, and the SIM2 slot can be used as a micro SD card slot as well. And on the right hand side we got the volume rocker and the power button, under which the fingerprint sensor is embedded as well. The power button is a bit recessed, so while using the fingerprint sensor you will know exactly where you are putting your thumb or the finger, and as you can see that the placement is quite nice. My thumb is reaching to the fingerprint sensor, the power button, without facing any issue. The position is very nice. Also, if I am, let's assume I am a left-handed person, then my index finger, the first one, is reaching right to the power button here. So it does not matter whether you are a left-handed person or the right-handed guy, you will be able to use the fingerprint provided on POCO M3 Pro 5G very easily. The frame is made of plastic and so is the back panel. And talking about the back panel, this is the most beautiful part of the design of POCO M3 Pro 5G. So this is very glossy and gives the impression that this is the glass that we got on the back panel, but actually it is plastic. And the reflection of the light is quite nice. It's creating the CD effect or the rainbow effect, whatever. On the back we got this huge black strip on which you will find the camera module and this huge POCO branding that says designed by POCO. So I think it would be nice if this POCO branding was a bit small, because other than these huge text, we also got the regulatory information. So like left part of the back panel is just filled with text. The camera module bump is also not much. So while putting the phone on the flat surface, you can see it's not wobbling at all. And once you put the case on the back panel, then there will be no probability of wobbling when you put the phone on desk or any flat surface. So this is once again kind of nice as well. But as you can see that because of the glossy finish, the back panel is attracting lots of fingerprint. So this is fingerprint magnet. But once again, the good part is that because it's glossy, you can just wipe it and it will be cleaned. And it weighs 190 grams. So considering the fact that we got a huge 6.5-inch screen and 5000 mAh battery, the device is still not heavy thanks to the plastic frame and the back panel we got. So in terms of design and build quality, POCO M3 Pro 5G is looking a very nice smartphone and way above its price segment, especially because of the back panel that is imitating gloss build quality. Talking about the display, we got a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus resolution screen with 90Hz refresh rate and around 84% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you are going to get is 405. So the display quality is quite nice even if I bring the camera so close to the screen. And because of the IPS panel, the viewing angles are also very nice, as you can see here right in front of you. Also, as I said, that this is a 90Hz refresh rate screen. So if you go to the display setting and then we go to the refresh rate, here you can see it's on 60 Hz by default. So we will have to select the 90 Hz. And it's looking quite smooth for sure. If you go to the settings, this is quite nice. So the touch screen sensitivity is nice, it's pretty smooth, and the 90Hz refresh rate performance is looking quite nice as well. And talking about the software and OS part, it comes with Xiaomi's MIUI 12 and Android 11. On the home screen, we got a folder with Google applications. We got some MIUI apps like Cleaner, File Manager, Music. Inside Tools, you will find some nice and useful applications provided by Xiaomi. And then here we got Mi Video, Notes. Under More Apps, we got some social media applications. In Games, we got some games obviously, and it comes with Netflix pre-installed because Widevine L1 DRM certification, so you can watch 1080p resolution videos on streaming services like Netflix. And if we go to these settings, here you can see the device comes with MIUI 12.02. The storage is 128, out of which 18.6 GB is preoccupied. So we got nearly 109 GB free. MIUI 12 is quite feature rich. ROM by Xiaomi, so we got lots of options. For example, you can even change the control center style. So if I select the new version, then from left side I will get the notification, from right side I will get the control center, or you can just select the old one as it was by default and get everything in one swipe. If you go to the additional settings, here you can see we got lots of options like quick ball, the button shortcuts. We also got a clear speaker feature. If you turn it on, then it will generate a high-pitched sound to clean the speaker grill. So we got all these nice features, we got a section of special features as well, consisting of Game Turbo Video Toolbox, floating windows, and some other stuff. So we are going to talk about all of these features in our another video, but right now I just want to give you an idea that how feature rich is the MIUI 12. Now talking about the camera, as I have already said that we got 48 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, 2 megapixel macro lens. There is no wide angle lens provided on POCO M3 Pro. The device is capable of recording only 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps, and that is actually the restriction of Dimensity 700 processor used. So if we launch the camera app, this is the user interface you will find. So we got the photo mode. In the photo mode, we got AI, HDR, we got some options that we can use, we got some filters here as well, we got the option for beautification too. If you go to videos, here we got the filters and beautify, and as you can see that we got just two options, 720p at 30 fps and FHD at 30 fps. But for that I will have to turn off the beautification. So if you record the videos with beautification, then it will be limited to 720p HD only. In Pro mode, you will get the option to manually use all of these photography parameters like ISO, shutter speed, etc. In portrait mode, it comes with beautification and the filter. Then if you go to the more section, here you will find the night mode, 48MP mode, short video, panorama, slow motion, time lapse. So let's take few pictures of this psycho looking panda nurse doll and let's see how good it's going to be. So I'm going to use the photo mode at the default setting, so no AI, no HDR, and let's capture a few pictures. So the image processing speed is quite nice. So this is the first image that I captured, and you can see it's quite nice actually. Lots of detail, especially here in this focus part. The face is a bit out of focus, but here lots of detail is there. The color reproduction is also very much similar to the real object, and the focusing speed was nice as well. So here you can see good amount of details we are getting. So this is quite nice, not super impressive, but still pretty good considering the price segment of this smartphone. The camera performance is looking promising, but I will see how good it's going to be in our detailed camera review, where we will check all of these features. But at the first glance, it's pretty good for sure. So overall, POCO M3 Pro 5G is looking a very nice entry-level 5G Android smartphone in nearly every aspect, especially if you're talking about the pricing. So if you're planning to buy a 5G smartphone without spending too much money, then POCO M3 Pro 5G is a very nice option for you. And soon many more videos of Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel, like the gaming review, benchmarking test, camera review, comparison with other smartphones, especially the ones running on the same hardware like the Realme 8 5G or Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G, to give you an idea that which device is really worth of your money and which one you should buy based on your requirements and necessities. But this is just a quick unboxing and first impression video, and if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.